Hey guys, Technical with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing some really cheap iPhone 8 that we bought from eBay for under $150. Now, there's two iPhone 8s that we bought. We're going to take a look at the condition and then also give you guys some tips on how you can get some really cheap discounted iPhones from eBay if you're really on a budget like the iPhone 8 here we have. So let's get started. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Now, you might be wondering why it came in an Amazon box. So the reason why it comes in an Amazon box is, if you remember, on eBay, pretty much anyone can sell. So I have the box open here, and I'm going to take a look at to see what's in the box here. So it's been bubble wrapped pretty well. Go and give it more bubble wrap, and then so a bunch more tape here that I will need to undo. So awesome. So bubble wraps here. So it looks like this phone. They also have this paper on them. I think that tells us some info on the phone. And then so phone number 1. So this is the black iPhone 8 here, and then the other one here. Okay, cool. So we got both of the phones here. As you can see, those are both the black color one, and take a look at the back here. The back isn't cracked. There are minor scratches that you can see on the back glass here, but that's fine. It is a used phone. Front here, you'll see it's not cracked, which is good. There are light scratches on it, so if you put it under the light, that's going to be the case when you're buying used phones on eBay. They're going to have some light scratch from previous use because they're not brand new phone, but that's why you're getting a deal on these. So here I'm turning both of them on. We're going to go quickly set them up here. Take a look at the bezels here. As you can see, the bezels are in pretty good condition. So here, let's see. So hopefully they turn on. Sometimes they might not have charged. Okay, so this one's already set up here, ready to go. We didn't even have to set this one up. And we can pretty much test things out like camera, right? You want to test things camera, make sure the phone works as is. Same with this one. So this one's almost dying here, so it needs to be charged. But pretty much, as you can see, when you buy phones on eBay, a couple things here. You want to make sure the seller has a lot of good ratings from it. You also want to make sure the seller offers like a 30-day return policy so that you can return the phone. Also make sure it's compatible for your carrier, right? If you're buying a phone, usually I go with the unlock one, but if you can't find an unlock one, go for the carrier that you have so that you can activate it on your carrier. And lastly, thoroughly read the description of the phone. Make sure the phone says fully functional and there's no issues. Sometimes on eBay, people can sell phones that have issues, so I recommend thoroughly reading through it. Check our other video as well on how we unbox some of the newer iPhones as well, that you can get a discounted price. I mentioned both of them were around $150 together, so they're each $75. And for iPhone 8, we reviewed it. It's still a great device. The reason why it is because it still runs on, it can run the latest iOS 16 update, which again makes the phone really useful. And it still has the home button, which a lot of people like, and it has a slim, unique design with it. Now, if you're looking for a home button phone, you can look at the iPhone SE, the second and the third generation. But again, the iPhone 8 here is one of those devices that will probably be good for this year, probably another 1 to 2 years before you would have to think about upgrading. But after you have gotten the phone, the other thing is make sure you guys really go through and check everything from like all the buttons, home button. You can also do a factory reset and set it up yourself just to make sure you can get back to the main screen without any issues here. You also want to check like things like mic as well and being able to download apps. As you can see, none of the phones are iCloud locked, meaning no other account is on. We can sign into our account as well. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button. We're going to be doing a lot more of these unboxing videos for you guys in the future, so make sure that like and subscribe button. Also put in a comment in the comment section for the next phone that you want us to review. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.